आज का हमारा टॉपिक है इनपुट डिवाइसेस एंड आउटपुट डिवाइसेस। In computing, an input device is a computer hardware which is used to enter data for processing. Examples of input devices include keyboard, mouse, image scanner, digital cameras, and joysticks. Input devices accept instruction and data from the user and sends it to the CPU. हम जो भी कंप्यूटर में डेटा और इंस्ट्रक्शन डालते हैं वो इनपुट डिवाइस के हेल्प से सीपीयू को पहुंचता है। कीबोर्ड Keyboard is a set of keys that enables you to enter data into the computer. It is the main input device of the computer. It has many keys which can be pressed to make characters like numbers, letters or symbols appear on the screen. Mouse. A computer mouse is an input device that is used with a computer. Moving a mouse along a flat surface can move the cursor to different items on the screen. Items can be moved or selected by pressing the mouse button. Scanner. A scanner is a device that captures images from photographic prints, posters, magazine pages, and similar sources for computer editing and display. Scanners come in handheld, free-in, and flatbed type, and for scanning black and white only or color. कंप्यूटर डेटा या इंफॉर्मेशन को डिजिटल में लेता है, इसीलिए इमेजेस, डॉक्यूमेंट, टेक्स्ट इत्यादि को स्कैनर डिजिटल फॉर्मेट में कन्वर्ट करके कंप्यूटर में सेव करता है। A scanner is a device that scans a document by sensing the reflection that is received when the scanner emits rays on the contents. Microphone. A microphone is a device that captures audio by converting sound waves into an electrical signal. Microphone is a voice-based input device. With the help of this device, sound or voice is recognized or recorded in the computer, which is then processed inside the computer and is converted into digital form. Magnetic ink character recognition, known in short as MICR code, is a character recognition technology used mainly by the banking industry to streamline the processing and clearance of checks and other documents. MICR characters can be read easily by humans. A MICR code consists of 9 digits. सभी बैंक ब्रांच को एक यूनिक MICR कोड दिया जाता है और ये RBI को मदद करता है बैंक ब्रांच को पहचानने के लिए, जिससे क्लियरिंग प्रोसेस में तेज़ी आती है। OMR stands for Optical Mark Recognition. This popular recognition technology is used for collecting data from fill-in-the-bubble forms such as educational tests, surveys, assessment, evaluations, and many other multiple-choice forms. OCR stands for Optical Character Recognition. OCR is a technology that recognizes text within a digital image. Optical character recognition software works with your scanner to convert printed characters into digital text, allowing you to search for or edit your document in a word processing program. Light pen. A light pen is another pointing device that can be used in the computer. It is normally like a pen and is used to directly point at the object seen on the screen. You can also draw various objects on computer screen through a light pen. Barcode reader. A barcode reader is an optical scanner that can read printed barcode, decode the data contained in the barcode, and send the data to a computer. Like a flatbed scanner, it consists of a light source, a lens, and a light sensor translating for optical impulses into electrical signals. Digital camera. A digital camera or digicam is a camera that captures photographs into digital memory. However, unlike film cameras, digital cameras can display images on a screen immediately after being recorded and store and delete images from memory. Many digital cameras also record moving video with sound. Webcam. A webcam is a hardware camera and input device that connects to a computer and the internet and capture either still pictures or motion video of a user or other object. Output device. An output device is any device used to send data from a computer to another device or user. The user receives the result through output devices. Examples include monitors, projectors, speaker, headphones and printer. आउटपुट डिवाइस के थ्रू हमें रिजल्ट मिलता है. Monitor. A computer monitor is an electronic device that shows picture for computers. Monitors often look similar to television. The main difference between a monitor and a television is that a monitor does not have a television tuner to change channels. Monitors often have higher display resolution than television. दो तरह के मॉनिटर होते हैं, CRT and LCD. CRT, cathode ray tube. The cathode ray tube is a picture tube of a monitor. LCD, liquid crystal display. LCD are used in smaller computers like PDAs, laptops and for desktop monitor as well. Plotter. A plotter is a printer that interprets commands from a computer to make line drawing on paper with one or more automated pens. Unlike a regular printer, the plotter can draw continuous point-to-point line directly from vector graphics files or commands. As a rule, plotters are much more expensive than printers. Printer. A printer is an output device that prints paper documents. This include text documents, images, or a combination of both. The two most common type of printer are inkjet and laser printer. Inkjet printers are commonly used by consumers, while laser printer are a typical choice for businesses. Based on the mechanism, printer can be broadly classified into two categories: impact and non-impact printer. Line printer, character printer are types of impact printer. Inkjet printer and laser printer are type of non-impact printer. Speaker. A computer speaker is an output hardware device that connects to a computer to generate sound. The signal used to produce the sound that comes from a computer speaker is created by sound card.